Miss Jensen. Today I learned a new word about what is called soluble. And soluble means it dissolves. And this is what we made.
Okay. Tell us what it is.
This is water and
Vegetable oil.
oil. And it shows that some people don't go together.
Well, we talked about what the saying, they're like oil and water, right? So if you mix that up, it looks like it mixes. But then if you wait, and we don't have to have you wait for the whole time, but if you wait, the oil ends up coming back up to the top here where we can see the oil at the top. So the oil and the water do not mix. So the vegetable oil is not
Insoluble.
It's not soluble, so
soluble.
it's insoluble, right? It's not soluble. Okay, all right, so that's a new word that we learned. And then what else did we do, Bubba?
We did coffee filters. We colored on it, and we put it into water. And our suggestion was it probably wasn't going to get off because if we have marker on here, water just makes it get wet.
It doesn't
help.
Because this is permanent marker. This is Sharpie, right? That we have drawn on a paper coffee filter, and we put it in water, and we're going to wait 24 hours with this experiment and see what happens. So water was the first one. Our hypothesis is that it's not going to do it. Not going to do it. So what's the next one that we did? What's the next?
Vinegar.
Vinegar, okay? So this is vinegar, which we talked about. A lot of people use vinegar to clean, right?
And this one shows a tint of purple. I'm not sure that you can see.
Right, maybe a tint of purple. So our hypothesis is the vinegar might
do it overnight.
Overnight. We're going to wait overnight. Okay? What's the next one that we did, Bubby?
The next one is not that, but okay. This one is rubbing alcohol.
Right, rubbing alcohol.
And it's definitely coming off.
It already seems like it's been a little bit, and it already seems like this one's definitely working. So you can see in there that that's where we drew on it, but it definitely looked like it is doing something, right? So that's the rubbing alcohol.
Yep.
And then what's this one?
Orange oil and water.
Yep, orange oil and water diluted. So
and if you put water in it, then it kind of looks like a milkshake.
It does. So I clean with orange oil a whole lot around the house, right? In fact, I used it the other night because Charlotte, who's here helping, hi Charlotte. Charlotte got Sharpie on the table.
And she didn't tell us because she hid it.
She did. She hid it. She did though. She hid it, and then we discovered it, and then we had to try to clean it, and I used orange oil. Now I didn't dilute my orange oil, I used it straight. I've actually never diluted my orange oil, but this is diluted and it makes this kind of like milky kind of business. But we're gonna see what that one does, and we're gonna wait 24 hours and see. But again, just like the rubbing alcohol, it does seem like it's already kind of starting to do something. And so this experiment is to check on the solubility, right? And that's what we did today. What do you say to Miss Jensen?
I wish I could see you in school. I wish I was at school.
Yep. But we're having fun, right? And you're learning some stuff.
I miss you.
Do you want, the kukumas. Tell her how much you love kukumas.
Kukumas are super fun. They're like...
Do we have any?
Huh?
Do we have any?
Well, we have the ones that he put in the recycling. You can walk with me to the recycling bin, Miss Jensen. But let me see what we got. Yeah, they're right here. Oh, those are sissies. Oh, I don't see yours, Bubba.
Where's mine?
Oh, they're there. No, that's yours.
Yeah. No, that's times.
Oh, that's the multiplication. So no, this one is yours then. Hold on. Sorry, Miss Jensen.
Addition.
Yes, this is Nolan's
This is
addition Kakuma that he's been working on, and he loves Kakumas, don't you, bud?
Yeah. And here's...
These are all times. These are sissies. Sissy was doing multiplication Kakumas, but the addition ones were Noni's. Those are all times ones. And he loves Kakumas. Okay, so now what do you say?
Tell her how you do kukumas.
She knows. I bet she knows.
Yeah. Oh, fine. So first, if you're doing addition easy, you will normally have 4 squares. But if you're doing it harder, moderate, there's 6 pieces.
Yep. And so, but you want to find what?
You want to find the sum that 2 numbers make 1.
Right.
So it's like 5 and 6 makes 11. 1 and 3 makes 4. 4 and 1 makes 5. 2 and 7 makes 5.
No. 5 and 2 makes 7.
5 and 2 makes 7.
Right. And then you add them all up, or you do all those ones.
And then you put it all down here.
Yep.
And then you have to then you have to do all those numbers where you figure it out up here to right here at the final answer.
That's right. Right. So Nolan just learned about those. It was Sissy's idea to do kukumas, which we thought was great. So we'll let you go. We just want to send you another video. Bye.
Bye.